Hi guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm gonna clean and condition the leather of the BMW. And I'm gonna use the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and conditioner. So if you wanna keep your leather looking like new, you have to clean and condition the leather. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it with the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and conditioner. So now let's get started. So this is the kit that I got from Amazon. It's made by Chemical Guys. So in the kit, we have a leather cleaner, we have a leather conditioner, we have a quick detailer, we have a horsehair brush, we have 3 microfiber towel, and 2 microfiber applicator. So if you're interested in this kit, I'm gonna put down the link in the description down below. So if you wanna do this on your leather, the link is down there. So here's the driver's side seat that I wanna show you first, because I got some black stains on this side of the leather. It's hard to see right now, but you can see that it's a bit darker and worn out on this section. The color here is a bit darker here also. Sometimes you get darker stain that's gonna be embedded on the leather because of your jeans. So sometimes the jeans, the blue jeans, transfer the color on the seats, and also from the dirt that's getting built up through the years. So the best way to always clean and condition the leather, probably I would say maybe every 3 months or so. So one more thing that I'm also gonna condition and clean is the steering wheel, because as you can see, there's some dirt from your hand, or stain from the everyday use. So I'm gonna clean this one also and condition it to prevent it from cracking and fading. Also, the part of the door panels, which is leather, this one also needs to be cleaned and conditioned. I'm gonna do that, and also the steering wheel. So now I'm gonna start cleaning the driver's seat with this leather cleaner from Chemical Guys by using the horsehair brush. So I suggest before you do this, if you have dirt on your seat, make sure you vacuum it first, so you don't have any dirt that you're gonna be dragging around to scratch the leather. So I like to start from the top going down, so in case we have some dirt here, it's just gonna fall down here. So it's better than doing the bottom first before the top, because once you clean this and you do this and you have dirt again, then you have to redo this one again. So the best thing is to start from the top going down and shake this one a bit, and I put it in the spray position, not stream. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit on the horsehair brush. Maybe on the seat also. I'm just gonna use the microfiber towel to wipe down. Now I'm gonna do the headrest and the back of the seat. That's it for the seat. Now it's time to do the steering wheel. So now it's the steering wheel. Make sure you get all the nook and cranny of the steering wheel. Oh, you can really see that it's clean. It looks like it came from the factory. Nice and clean. And it's soft. Feels like it came from the factory. So now it's nice and clean and softer. So now I'm gonna apply the leather conditioner. So it's a good idea to shake it first, make sure it's really mixed inside. And then I'm gonna use the microfiber applicator. So I like to spread it, make sure it's evenly spread on the sponge. So when you apply it, it's gonna be evenly applied to the leather. So you're gonna go from the top. So this one has a UV protection to keep your leather from fading. Also prevents it from cracking. Especially if you park your car outside, you know, if you don't have any garage to park your car, this is a good protection for your seat. So you don't have to worry about your leather from fading and cracking if you park outside. for the steering wheel. So guys, look at the difference from the before and after. I don't have that black spots anymore. It's nice and clean. Also, it's softer. It's a lot softer than before. And the steering wheel, look at that. Nice. It's really soft, see? It's not too greasy. It feels clean and soft. So here at the door panel, as you can see, the color. It's very nice, very clean. Now I don't have to worry about fading and cracking of my leather. So guys, I really like the result from the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and conditioner. I can really feel the difference on the steering wheel and also on the seats. They're a lot softer now. Plus, I don't have to worry about fading or cracking when I park my car outside. So you know what guys, I still have to finish the rest of the interior of the car. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. And if you like this video, please give this video a like. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
My body's shaking.